Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
So we're going to try to make some shakedown passes without blowing this shit up or breaking the axle. I think the axle's gonna break. My money is gonna be on this fucking front passenger side, and then also we are going to see if we can fully defeat traction control with pulling the ABS fuse.
Cause fuck that shit.
Because right now I'm just setting with the GoPro though.
Pull in. Come on. Don't be a bitch.
Apparently, it's one of these. Well, fuck, I don't know which one.
You're probably just saying that so you don't have to do it.
I'm dead serious. It's one of those green 40s, but I didn't.
I don't have any motorcycles in lane number
my fucking banner.
This is what bitch looks like right here. This is what bitch looks like. Bitch.
Hey, you wrote on my fucking banner, man. This should have probably ruined it, right? You like specifically stayed up in the banner too, you know? Fucking dickhead. Alright, we'll go line up.
Missing them gears as he goes to a 1368.
This is the fun part. I forgot to put my contacts in, so I gotta thread the gap there. Maybe I'll just get cool on them, you know? Gang, gang.
Hey, touch it.
Fuck you, touch it. Fuck you, touch it.
Yeah, you don't want to touch it? You can barely see it. It's a RS3. I don't know what you're gonna do this first go.
Well, it's gonna be a shakedown, so I'm not gonna like try and make a fucking world record.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try and launch it. Hopefully the axles hold up, because I doubt it. That one's already has a torn CV boot, and then I'm still gonna no lift, but I'm not gonna be like trying to slam gears. I'm just gonna, you know. I'm hoping the power between gears is enough to
keep your
beat my old record right away. You don't think I'll get it right away? I hope so. The first fucking pass I ever made in this car was a 12-1. My very first time ever racing.
Yeah. So. You ain't gonna beat that. You too pussy boy right now.
Yeah, you right.
I ain't never seen you this pussy boy ever.
I feel like I'm gonna fucking faint.
You're fucking being a big ass vagina.
Huh? I missed second.
I heard that.
I didn't know I was gonna miss second. I figured I'd probably miss third because third's always fucked up. But then the car was breaking up, so like I was floored and it was going like.
Yeah, I heard. I was like, what the fuck is that?
So I don't even know what that is because.
Did you bring your computer?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's charged.
Huh?
I don't know if it's charged though. I don't know what the.
All right, no clock racer, student.
PSI climb. Thank you. Bro, what the fuck? 12.6 at fucking 98, bro. I'm packing my shit up, bro.
My man's got the 14 Camaro with 30 days in. You got that new ride.
It's fucking dumb. I think E42 is too high. I think I need to be on like closer to E35.